Oh, what do we have here? Today we have how choosing the wrong parking spot turns criminal. Damn. Thank you guys for tuning in. And without further ado, let's get it.
On October 4th, 2024, an officer responded to a call regarding a battery.
What's going on?
A battery?
So, this week, the same thing happened.
God damn, she fine.
Okay.
And he got,
What, your vehicle got towed?
yeah, not mine. So it was with a parent at the school that my kids goes to.
Okay.
So he was, he was doing the same thing. He always trying to do that. So I just came to see my friend. She was going to show me a place that is available for rent. It was here for 2 minutes. There is camera. You can check the cameras.
That's a civil issue. The towing issue is a civil issue.
Yeah, no.
We don't
Yeah, I know.
involve it.
But when I came, so I tried to go inside the car. He pulled my clothes. Okay.
Hold your
Huh? What you mean he pulled your clothes?
clothes.
Yeah.
Why would he do that? What was you doing? Was you trying to get in the car while he was already putting it on tow or what?
Trying to.
What is he saying to you?
He took. Yeah, you cannot go inside your car.
Okay.
Okay. And then after that, he started recording me and saying that he was getting my car anyways.
Okay.
Then he said that I was going to, I tried to pay. So my friend offered me to pay.
Okay.
I don't know where she is. Let me just call her.
So what do you need me for?
Yeah, actually, so he touched me and he's saying that I touched him. I touched his clothes. I did.
So you guys, okay, what do you
So y'all got into a physical altercation?
need me for? What would you like me to do?
Yeah.
I know.
I'm so nervous. I know that it's a civil. It's not up to you.
Well, when you guys start, like, what's the ultimate outcome? What would you?
Amiga, por favor, vem aqui porque eu preciso de testemunha. Sorry.
Go ahead, talk to him, and let me talk to this guy. Can you hang out over here?
He look like he is pissed. He got on them dirty ass shoes, bro. Do not f around.
What's going on, bud?
Alright, I had her, like, I know that's not y'all's issue or nothing.
Okay.
It seemed to be going alright. I asked her if she wanted the drop fee. She said she was gonna call the manager, have them come
Okay.
and get her out of that or whatever.
So are they paying the drop fee
I
or?
was trying to get her to, at which point she then assaulted me.
Oh.
When I
What
wanted
did
to go ask her about it. I got
How
her
did
on
she
video.
assault you?
Oh, he got it on video? Oh, baby, you going to jail.
I saw her a little shaky. And she had punched me in the throat. She scratched me
Okay.
here.
What would you like to do?
I'm trying to press charges. This
Going to court
happens,
and all that stuff?
yeah, this happens every 2 days on this property.
Okay.
And I'm honestly getting tired of it.
Okay. Second time this week.
Yeah, with this guy. So you came here the last time?
But
Okay.
I read.
It was,
Damn, she punched him with a ring on? Fuck.
yeah, it was not me, but he touched my arms.
You want to write a statement?
Yeah.
Okay. You work inside of here, man?
Damn. Okay.
You work
No, I
or your
don't.
casa?
Good
You work
Lord.
at
No,
your place?
my friend works over here, and then she said that I had a spot available for rent. I was going to take a look, so she said that I could park over here. So I literally
So, yeah, you need to be talking to your friend about this.
parked for 2 minutes. There is cameras, you can check. I know that it's a civil
It says
thing.
future resident parking. So
Yeah, so there, I don't know why he's towing my car, but he's doing this. So he did this to a parent this week, so,
do you have your ID?
I
Can you get that for me, please? Any weapons or anything in the vehicle?
no.
Okay. Is your friend still here that we could talk to your friend too?
Yeah, I just told her to come.
Was anybody else out here when this happened?
Yes.
When your vehicle got towed?
I'm not sure.
When it started?
Yes. Let me just call her one sec.
You were out here when this started?
She
Eu não
doesn't
speak
English.
English.
What do you speak? Hold on. You speak Portuguese?
Português.
Okay. Hang on over here. Let me see if my partner can.
What, they in Miami or something?
So I just need to know if she was down here when she was trying to get in her car. Don't lead her though.
Ok,
Just see what she says.
ok. Tudo bom.
Tudo bem, isso é português?
Sou.
O brasileiro é
Sou.
português.
Então, o que que houve hoje?
So I just need to print your name here.
That is so cool. I never heard nobody speak Portuguese before.
What happened? You came over here to visit a friend. You want to be a future tenant, and from there. Okay.
You want me to write it?
Yes.
Tá, não, acho que não. Acho que não. O que eu vi ali só foi a falação.
Tá. She's saying that she asked her to come by just to be here. Just to give her and then all she saw was them talking. That she was upset. But she said I never saw either one of them touch each other.
Okay.
Huh?
She didn't see her try to grab his phone at all.
She never pushed him. She just saw her push her hand in front of his phone.
Oh,
Why did she
damn.
come over here to meet with her?
Como é que tu conhece ela? Because they're friends, and then she came to talk to her real quick at her job. And then she's like, oh, she asked her if she could park. She's like, yeah, it was real quick. So she said yes.
What were they talking about? Like,
She don't even speak English. How the fuck she supposed to know if she could park there or not?
Just a friend talk about people in Brazil and stuff like that because they know each other from Brazil.
so not about getting her.
No.
Okay. We can just get her name or get her ID and get her name
Yeah.
information. Contact. Swear and affirm what you're in is correct and true. Yes.
Yes, sir.
And she already signed. Okay. Can I see the video when she?
Yeah, and then this was the next video. Where
Oh, now you're going to jail. That's assault, man.
Also, there's 4 cameras on this truck.
They don't.
Yeah.
Oh, what do
my
you got?
boss can download it.
I need to see that, please.
Yeah.
Sign here, sworn above the attached statements are correct and true. So now she writes, did she grab me by the arms and the clothes? Initially, she's like, grab me by the clothes. Now I have to ask questions, okay? Because there's cameras all over that truck and he's got video. So I'm reading your statement and I have your initial statement recorded, okay? Is there anything that you would like to
She looking like fog. I'm fogged. That's how she's looking right now.
change about what you told me and what you wrote on there? Because he's got a lot of cameras on that, which are pretty good at recording.
Yeah, actually, so I did touch him, but he said that he has scratches.
Yeah.
But did you see in the camera that I didn't touch his neck?
Well, he has the scratch and you're grabbing his clothing. So
On
my
this
question, you made the allegations that he grabbed you.
Right?
Did he
He
grab
said that
you?
you cannot go inside the car. Okay.
Okay. Did he grab
He
you?
tried. He tried. He didn't. He tried.
He never touched
So I'm so
you. Because you were in the car, right?
yeah. I was so nervous that I didn't even remember.
Okay. So he never touched you. Correct?
The other day,
We're not.
No. We're talking about right now. What happened?
We can't talk about the other day.
I know.
The other day is its own thing. Okay. Today is today's thing. He never touched you when you tried to get in the car, correct?
Nope.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So he never put his hands on. Okay. All right. So, because he has the video and was able to watch, so he's got a small scratch, and no matter what, a
I know,
small
but
scratch is a small
But I
scratch.
didn't touch it. It was not from me. You can do the I don't know the name of this in here, but you can see that it was not me.
But you can see that you're reaching and grabbing. You're grabbing hold of his clothes.
It was only his clothes, sir.
Yeah, but you.
Officer, I didn't touch
I
it.
wasn't. But there's video, and we can
Video of me or video
see, of you guys right here.
But
You can see clearly that you're grabbing, you're reaching, you grabbed around his
no, I
shirt.
didn't, sir.
His shirt. You have his shirt in your hand,
No, I didn't touch his neck. I didn't touch his
but
body.
he's got a small scratch.
It was not me. I did. So he went inside the car. You can check the camera. He didn't want to talk. My friend tried to.
Right
pay.
after that,
Yeah,
he didn't want to do
probably
anything.
scratched himself.
Yeah, he was mad. He was trying not to beat your ass.
Think he
know.
scratched himself. Okay.
Yeah, I do.
Okay, hang tight. Hang tight. Okay.
Yes, I have my kids leaving the school in an hour.
I know.
Right here.
I hear you.
Oh, baby, you going to jail.
No reason to do that.
Unfortunately, when somebody alleges,
Are you going to arrest me for that?
yes, I am. Do you need to call somebody to pick your kids up? Because he wants to press charges. So are you able to call somebody and let them know?
Yeah, 1 second.
Um,
Amiga, eles vão me prender. I'm sorry. Eles vão me prender.
He's gonna go. Because she battered him. She put her hands on him.
No,
It's
but
recorded.
But he did it first.
No, he didn't. She admitted
No?
that it didn't happen.
he tried. Ele deu a segunda vez, ele tentou já da outra vez.
Plus, there's cameras all over that truck.
Did you see?
His truck?
Yeah, there's 4. See those black things right there? Those are cameras facing this way. Those are cameras facing this way.
Ooh. Ooh, your ass going to jail, baby. Your ass going to jail.
There's 4. See those black things right there? Those are cameras facing this way. Those are cameras facing this way. Ma'am,
1 second.
hang out. No, wait here.
Always on the
So she's got to go. And nothing in your pockets, correct?
No.
Pockets are empty. Double check. We're gonna hold on to that. You just throw it on the front seat. Hands behind your back. If you put them behind your back like that, like you're praying, interlace. It's easier, it's more comfortable. Okay. Just have us. So the easiest way, yep. Just step in, and then
Like this?
Yep. I just got to get the seatbelt here,
Uh-huh.
and then buckle you in. Okay. It's a lot more room in these Tahoes, so.
That's okay.
And I got the AC on, so.
Think of it like a Uber Black.
All right, so I just need you guys to scoot, sure. Yep.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. And that's it, baby. We out.